Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. So we traded up yesterday, 44.75, rejected from there. We ended up in a really nice short yesterday afternoon into the overnight. They took it right down to the daily mid band, right down to the monthly pivot, and they rejected it up from there for about 10 handles. So you can see it better on an hourly chart. So here's your rejection. Daily mid band sitting around 14, monthly pivot sitting around 12.75, goes down. Makes matching lows at 13.25. You can see it bouncing. We are above weekly pivot. We are above the hourly midband. If these things convert to support, then it really does open up a move. You know, if it converts 24 had tried to be support here and here. If that area doesn't go resistance, then it really does open up a move to 32. And you could really start to see a very strong bounce off of the monthly pivot. The bears have had their chances. They continue to have their chances. They need to capitalize on those chances. They need this to be a lower high to a lower low. If not, then you're going to get what you got last week, which is a rejection back up, into the 40s. So that's what is at risk here. You had a significant takeout of the weekly pivot last week that they retraced back over the top of. It was tested here. It's been tested even deeper here. So in the first 4 days of the month, you've had weekly pivot and monthly pivot and daily midband tested. We're going to answer some questions today about whether these two intermediate levels want to be support or resistance. Right now, they want to be support, and as long as that's the case, the bulls have the advantage. Okay, we open in about 4 minutes, so this is not going to be a very long webcast. So anyway, great short down for us. We're trying along here. The week is in great shape. I'll be out with a bunch more stuff on social today. Until then, trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.